English Learners Podcast.
Listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly.
Hello, dear English learner. Welcome to this A1 English listening practice session. My name is Tara, and I'm so glad you're here today. Really, thank you for joining. Today we have a special guest. Her name is Anna. Anna is from Spain, and she is going to tell us about something very exciting. Her first solo flight, all alone, to London, where she will study English. Let's listen to Anna's story together. We will also learn some new words along the way. At the end, I'll explain some difficult words to help you understand better. Now, let's hear from Anna.
Thank you, Tara. Hello, everyone. My name is Anna. I'm 19 years old and I'm from Spain. My native language is Spanish. But now I am learning English and I love it. Last month, I flew to London. It was my first time flying alone. I was excited and a little scared. I want to study English abroad, in a different country. English is important for me, for travel, for work, and for making new friends. That's why I'm in London now, going to an English language school. Let me tell you about my journey. In the morning, I said goodbye to my family. My mum gave me a big hug. My dad said, "Good luck." I felt happy, but I was also a little sad. I was going to miss them. I took a taxi to the airport. The driver asked, "First time flying solo?" I said, "Yes." He smiled and said, "You'll do great." At the airport, I looked for my flight on the big screen. It said, Flight BA 457, Madrid to London, 10:15 a.m. I went to the check-in desk, gave my passport, and got my boarding pass. Then, I went through security. I had to take off my jacket and put my bag in a tray. Everything was okay. After security, I was hungry, so I went to a small cafe and got a hot chocolate and a croissant. I sat near the window. I saw people walking with suitcases. I felt a little alone, but also proud. I was doing something new. Then I went to gate B3. I sat next to a woman and her baby. She smiled and asked, "Going to London?" I said, "Yes." "I'm going to study English." She said, "Good for you." That made me feel better. Soon the speaker said, "Flight BA 457 to London is now boarding." I walked on to the plane. My seat was 14A, next to the window. Then the air hostess came. She wore a blue uniform and a neat scarf. She smiled and spoke slowly and clearly. "Good morning. Please fasten your seatbelt. No smoking. Phones off." She walked down the aisle, checking each seat. She helped an older man put his bag above. She gave a child a blanket. She was kind and calm. That made me feel safe. I looked around. People were reading, texting, or looking out the window. A baby cried for a moment, but then it stopped. The lights above turned on. A soft voice said, "Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff." Then, the plane started to move. Slow at first. I heard a low sound. "Rrrm." We moved faster, then whoosh! We went up into the sky. My stomach felt funny, like on a roller coaster. My heart went boom, boom, boom. I held the armrest and took a deep breath. I looked at the window. The airport was getting smaller. Tiny cars. Tiny people. The plane turned a little. I saw the city below. The buildings, the streets, and then only clouds. White, fluffy clouds. Big and soft, like cotton or pillows. I smiled. It was beautiful. The seatbelt light was still on. I sat still. A voice came again. "Welcome on board. Flight BA 457 to London. Flying time is 2 hours. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. I relaxed a little. I looked at the small screen in front of me. I saw a map. The plane was flying over the sea now. Blue ocean, white clouds. I took out my notebook. I wrote, "I'm flying alone. I'm going to study English. I feel proud." Just then, the air hostess passed again with a trolley. She asked, "Would you like something to drink?" I said, "Yes, orange juice, please." She gave it to me with a smile. I said, "Thank you." I drank slowly. I looked out the window again. The sky was bright. The clouds looked like a big white world. And in that moment, I wasn't scared. I was excited. After 2 hours, the plane started to land. I felt a little nervous again, but it was fine. At the airport in London, I went through passport control, got my suitcase, and met the driver from my school. Now I am in London. I live with a host family and go to class every day. I meet students from many countries: Brazil, Japan, Turkey, Korea. We all speak English together. One day, I want to speak English fluently and go to university abroad. That's my dream.
Thank you, Anna. What a great story. Flying solo for the first time is a big step. And you did it. Now let's talk about a few words you heard. 1. Solo means alone. Anna flew alone, no friends, no family. 2. Boarding pass. This is the paper or ticket that tells you your seat and gate. 3. Check-in desk, where you give your big suitcase and get your boarding pass. 4. Air hostess, a woman who helps you on the plane. 5. Take off, when the plane goes up. 6th land, when the plane comes down. 7. Passport control, the place where they check your passport when you arrive in a new country. That's it for today. If you like this story, listen again. Try to repeat some words out loud. That's a great way to practice your English. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And remember, learning a new language takes time, but you can do it. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.